Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to install games on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to install games on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app, as I have already opened the Steam app and logged into my account. Similarly, log into your account on the Steam app, and on this interface guys, we are on the store currently after opening the Steam app and log into our account. Now we will be required to search for that particular game which you want to install on Steam. So let's go over here on the search bar where my mouse is hovering and click over there and search for a particular game. So I'll be searching for the PUBG game since it's available on Steam and it's for free. You can also try out the games which cost money and which are more enjoyable. It's according to your choice, but for a demo purpose, after landing on this interface of the game section, click on the game which you want to install like this, and when this appears guys, scroll down a little bit and you can see guys the play game will be available for us. Click on the play game option over here, and this kind of installation panel will appear on your computer. Click on the install button over here, and then that game will start to download on your PC and will be installed momentarily on your Steam account, and you will be able to play that game since the desktop shortcut will be created over here, you can see. And with that being said guys, after clicking on the install, that game will be installed. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.